Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Ahmed, and today our video is about how to convert a Word document to the PDF document. So let's start. The simplest way to convert a Word document to PDF document is that simply press Ctrl and P, and in the printer name, just select the PDF converter to do PDF and OK. So So our Word document is now converted into PDF document. Another way to convert a Word document to the PDF document is Foxit Reader PDF. This is a software which is used to view the PDF file, edit the PDF file, and in through this software we can also convert a Word document to the PDF document. Now, on this page, select Foxit Reader, create PDF, and save. So it also converted our Word document to the PDF document. Thank you very much.